Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. I'm eating a jawbreaker. Motorcycle on a trailer. We've all been there. Some of the trailers are too high, some of them are too small, and we have all seen fails on the internet, and they're not as fun as it looks. Now, if these fails happen with someone else, it's all fun and games. But you keep remembering those fails when you have to put your motorcycle on a trailer yourself, don't you? And of course, these big trailers take in a lot of space, and you do not want to have your garage filled with a giant trailer. Now, my trailer is in this garage. Can you see it now? Nope. I know for a fact you still can't. Aha! You couldn't even tell it was here, right? Gotta take it outside and show you guys how it works, what the price is. I can already tell it's French, like a baguette. I like baguettes. And there we go, so we got our trailer hooked up to the car, and this is where everybody starts getting stressed out, because this happens. Yo, bro, you got a ramp for the trailer? How about some wood? Yeah, of course, some wood can work. Like a 2x4. All right. Could work. Bro, are you like sure this is going to work? Bro, I got this. I've done this a million of times. I don't know, man. Hold my beer. Okay, whatever. Oh, Dave, no! So yeah, don't be like Dave. Do not use a 2x4 to get your motorcycle on a trailer. I don't care about drink and drive part. You probably shouldn't do that either. Anyway, check out my French Cochet motorcycle trailer. A beautiful black painted steel frame, 13-inch tires. I am, however, going to change those wheels with Brabus wheels. I want those wheels to be the same as those. Not really sure if that's gonna work. I'm not an engineer. Anyway, I'll show you guys how it works. First thing you do, safety ring. Always get off the safety ring. Pull this one out. Now, over here we got the wheel lock. This is adjustable, so I'm at the widest now for 21-inch tires. Yeah, the big Super Adventure ones. And you can get it all the way up to the front for small tires, like for a scooter, something else. And that's it. And you guys are probably wondering, how is he gonna take it back off? Swing it, brake, swing it, brake. Here we go. Are you still using the old ones from 1980? Stop it. Stop using them. It's 2022. Get yourselves one of these. Yeah, that's going nowhere. But just to be safe, I also got the Ace Bikes tire fix. Just to make sure the rear is not jumping from left to right. Also pretty simple. Throw it on, hook this into this, put hook on the side. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you load and unload a motorcycle in a safe way. Maximum 440 kilograms can be on the trailer. Not really sure if there are motorcycles that weigh even more than 440. Maybe like a big ass Harley or a V8. Not sure. But let's get the bike back off, fold it back up, put it back in the garage. I paid 2,995 euros for it at Matthijs in Vichten. I'll leave a link in the description where I bought it. Very friendly guys. It is in Belgium, unfortunately. So yeah, if you're from the Netherlands, you can still go there, or France. It's really close to the French border. Like a bug on my leg. Anyway, so yeah, close to 3,000 euros. I know it's not cheap, but it's safe. If you drop your motorcycle once, yeah, it's gonna cost you a lot more than 3,000 euros probably. Anyway, make sure you smash that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, don't be like Dave.